I'm gonna go over just real quick these blue lines on Amazon. This is what I'm watching. Um, it's just been like this crazy chop, right? So today we didn't get this. Oh, well, I should show that here when we went down up here. You're watching for the push up and then you got it. So I'm looking for that over 222. Anyway, we didn't get it today, so it's kind of a failed setup. And then for the other parts of the market here, like Microsoft, let's take a look at potential head and shoulders. So when you have a head and shoulders, you can draw the head, or you can draw and the shoulders, or you can just be like, under this. It's the lazy way to do it. But my point with Microsoft is, so today is the 7th. This is the 6th. We pushed up above this 521 level, retested it, got to 524, let's call it 525. Recoiled at VWAP, pushed through. Really strong day yesterday for Microsoft, and today we lost almost the entire move back down to the 521. If you lose 521, I think we're going to get 515 for sure. And if we get above 525, I think we're going to finally get above that 532. I will be watching that as a market cue. Today was just all weakness, So IWM lost this 245 spot. Puts were nice on that. And let me just kind of go over SPY here. So this was yesterday, right here. Remember I said Microsoft was running? We open with this falling wedge that breaks above. Today the falling wedge started above yesterday's level and broke below. Okay, so you're getting a bigger range today. It's very interesting when that happens, but it does happen a lot. So I'm gonna go back and see what happens when you get that larger range. But we really just went back to Friday's level. We got over Friday's level, like at open, and then we couldn't hold Monday's level, and we dropped under Monday's level, dropped under Friday's level. So a little bit of a megaphone pattern happening here. There were some points of interest here, like this pre-market level from Friday was yesterday's low, and we couldn't get over it. Today we closed kind of right at it. Let's go to the bigger time frame and see if we see that megaphone pattern, or if I'm just off. Stretch. Yeah, so as you can see, we're watching that 667 level here. Right there. Didn't quite get there today. If we lose 667 though, we do have one candle like there from the 30th, but I think we're gonna get down to these lower levels. We'll just keep flushing. So big spot to hold there. Obviously that's a SR flip. We could just bounce right back off and then go to new all-time highs. Let me take a look at it with the extended off and with these other things off, VWAP and such. The market is closed, so VWAP and all that really doesn't matter. See that green cloud? It's still very green. That means the 200 EMA is still quite bullish. That also means we have room down if we were to touch the 200 EMA, which we haven't in a while. But what I wanted to talk about was this potential megaphone that's happening here, and then here, I guess. So it kind of looks like an alligator's mouth, I think. Let's see. Oops, I didn't click the tool. So we'll see how this shapes out. I was trying to see if we had some touches down below, but this is what broke today that got me short. Very clean break. And then let me make this, I guess, like red, right? Under that, it's like boom, it was on. So hour into the market, not even an hour in. Anyway, that was pretty quick. We never got pre-market high. We have to get this to really get bullish from this level. Where obviously I just said the 200 EMA is still strong, but I would want to take out this doji here from Friday morning, which we lost today and haven't recovered, and then we have another doji here, two actually right here. So this is the other level that we want to take out. We could not take this out today. We kept bumping our head there, and we have a doji from this morning, and we do have a doji in the middle of it, right at 670, let's call it, right below it. So let's kind of just go over a little bit. It would be like losing this here, retesting. Wouldn't be shocked to retest higher. The market's been sweeping and then getting lower. And the reason why I have this point here is from right here. We have a double top area. We have a triple top actually. From Monday the 29th of September, Wednesday the 24th, and then Thursday the 18th. So let me mark that so it's completely obvious right there. Something like that would be the big level I'm watching. Let me get rid of these other things. Another more dojis and things here. Yeah, another level there. So that would be my kind of bearish possibility. And then for bullishness, I think we would sweep under that and then come right back up. But the candle bodies would probably stay above that 667. So I haven't done this in a while, but it would be this. And the other possibility would be this. So that 660 area. Won't be shocked if we get some sort of buying because today was all sell and then lose it. So this would be like the red. Very bad for bulls. Bad for your portfolios. For everyone's portfolio. But it's temporary, you know, and we're in a major uptrend. If you haven't trimmed to all-time highs, I don't know. I definitely like to do that, but it's up to you. So let me copy that and love you guys. Bye.